You're looking for a 3D displayer, a 5D displayer app to put your images on of your hobby? This may be something that you're interested in, and I'm going to show you how to set up and what it's about. From Missyou Spin Display 9.1 inch, we're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. Please keep your hands away from the fan unit while spinning. Opening up, you have an instruction guide, the 3D hologram in white, the metal bracket, screws, anchors, and SD card slot reader, remote control with the 2025 battery, remove the battery protector, and the battery power supply set with the DIN plug that plugs into the unit. In this step, we hang our sticker up. We take our bracket, drill our holes, anchors, set screws, and screw it down. We level and lock down. Going over our spin display, we have the remote sensors, the SDXC card that comes out into the computer, download the 5D displayer application, and place back in. With the power port facing down, the two pins, we have a 1/4 20 tripod socket area that we can hang up on a tripod or on a wall. The two keyholes, the 1/4 20 thread, and the screws slide and lock down. Power plug in and dressed. In the manual is a QR. Download the smartphone for iOS or Droid. Go into your Wi-Fi. After the machine is in the on, you'll see the name, connect, and open up the 5D displayer. As the app opens up, you'll see 7 information images. As opening up the application, you have 7 images. The first image here is a waterfall or a Pepsi can. The second image is a countdown. The third image is a strawberry. Then cherries, Santa Claus, a fish, and a Pikachu. You can go to the fish. On the bottom, hit on the screen, and the fish will stay infinity until taken off of the repeat. You could turn off and on the unit. You can add in your images by going to the mobile album. Choose a camera. Pinch and adjust, and send. Put a name to it or rename it later on. You'll notice a blue light will start to increase as the progress bar loads up, and on the smartphone, it takes a matter of seconds for the image to be there. Once everything is all loaded up and the image has been placed on, you then can go in there and put it on to infinity. You could put any imaginable image on your hobby, be creative, software, and more. Loading up the software to the computer, you're able to do the same thing by desktop. We have also the remote control that we could turn on and off. And we could go into the library of 700 different images. Disconnect off of the application, load up the SD card to your computer to the 5D displayer, 3D, open up, connect, select the file of what you like. With the mouse wheel, fit to the screen, export. Or take the SDXC card out to the computer and you have the 5D displayer and the files in there. And all you need to do is open up 5D displayer, select the file, pick a video like we did, export, place back the card, secured, place on the spin displayer, and go through the settings. With the online images of choosing and found the images you like, you can go to the plus, local, pick the image, create a cube, and send to the unit with the name and transfer over. These are just some of the select few things we can do with the unit. Here's our image of a dinosaur placed on. We could pause the unit. We could increase and decrease the brightness levels. We could hook up a Bluetooth speaker. We could display it in the window, a display case, on a wall, on a tripod stand, and more. This is your 5D displayer, 9.1 inch in white. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are after in your creative hobby needs, thank you for viewing.